Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're going to tell you a 100% true story about FixMeStick. This is a virus removal device. It goes into your USB. It's for PC, and they have a Mac option as well. It's absolutely amazing. So, if you know me, you know that I partner with Amy from Shopping with Amy. And Amy and I have worked together for a while. I bought her a Dell laptop computer a couple years ago, probably about a year and a half ago now. And it's really running slow. She was having issues where her video editing program kept crashing and she kept having issues. I had her run disk defragment, I had her do the basic stuff that I knew, wasn't helping. Well, so it just so happened that Amy's computer was running a little slow, so I said, well, Amy, you're my guinea pig. We're gonna try running this. Like I said, disk defragment didn't seem to help, and other things we tried reinstalling software didn't seem to help. She actually was having it to where the whole system would crash and she'd have to reinstall Windows. Something was up with it, right? So anyway, we ran FixMeStick on it, had to register it. And she did this last night. So last night she ran FixMeStick. I don't know how long it took exactly. I set it, ran through it, went home, let her check it in the morning, right? We just turned the computer, let it do its thing. I don't know if it took 10 minutes. I don't know if it took an hour, honestly. Had it run FixMeStick. Well, when I woke up the next morning, because I went home, I noticed I had a couple emails from FixMeStick, told me what it had done, and I got her response. And her response so far has been amazing. Her computer's running well again. It's taking all the Windows updates it was supposed to, and it's not having a single issue. 100%, I'm going to go ahead and put her text message to me. This has been now, let's see, I did it last night. It's been 24 hours. Computer's working very well. She's very happy with it. And I tell you what, before this, she was pulling her hair out because her computer wasn't running at all. Just restart, reinstall drivers, all sorts of issues. Now it's running great. So I have to give credit where credit is due. FixMeStick. So it says, and I think it was probably, she had some malware on there. So it says, the FixMeStick virus removal device works before your computer works, removing malware and conventional antivirus software often can't detect. That conventional antivirus software can't detect. 10 antivirus engines in one. Embedding multi-scanner combines industry-leading technology from Avira, Kaspersky Lab, and Sophos. I don't know, I just have to take their word, that's good stuff. Network multi-scanner accesses 7 additional engines to achieve up to the second responses on the latest threats. Corey Velan built the first FixMeStick for his mom Penny, and it's now the world's best-selling virus removal stick. So, yeah, I'm very happy with it. It did work for us. I'm going to keep these around anytime my friends have issues. And the bottom line is, like, I have education in computers, okay? I went to 12 weeks of officer school in the Air Force for communications computers officer. But the bottom line is, it's hard to keep up with all the changes in computers. When somebody comes to me and they're like, hey man, my computer's not working right, can you fix it? I don't know. Like, I just know a couple simple things. I'm not an expert. I don't do this every day. Well, guess what? FixMeStick made me feel and look like an expert. Save the day, my friends. And if you're having issues with your computer, it's running slow, it's bogged down, it isn't working the way it should, try FixMeStick. First and foremost, you save yourself a lot of time, save yourself a lot of heartache, save yourself a lot of money, because it seems like every time our computers get bogged down, we just have to go buy a new one. A much better economical solution is to fix your computer instead of just throw it in the trash. So order one today. You won't be disappointed, for Mac and PC. And it says it removes viruses, spyware, trojans, and other malware, works on your with your antivirus program, and it updates automatically. And that is nice that it works with your antivirus program, because some of them don't. So thanks again for watching. Say it with me. Adios, amigos.